So on this Deluxe today, we are going to be starting with a exterior wash. We're going to do wheels, everything. Then we're going to move to the inside. We're going to do a full interior vacuum. Since the seats are cloth, we're going to get those with the vacuum as well. We're going to do a shampoo on the seats, the carpets. We're going to do a wipe down on the doors, all the plastics, the trims. We're going to do a steam decontamination on the steering wheel, on the center console, all of that. By the wheels, we're going to do a degreaser on the tire and on the wheel face of itself. We're going to go inside of the wheel wells. And then if we move to the trunk, so we're going to do a full vacuum back here as well. We're going to get inside of all the trunk jams. We're going to do a full wipe down on all of this trim. We're going to get any and all of this grime off of the white paint. Welcome back, guys. So we just finished up the exterior on the car. So we started it off with a foam that was Chemical Guys citrus soap infused with some carnauba wax, which gives a wax coating on the entire car. That gives about 4 to 5 months of protection depending on how well the car was maintained. So then we came to the wheels. We used Extreme Solutions wheel degreaser. And then we also use the all-purpose for the faces of the wheels. And then we finished it with the Extreme Solutions Tire Shine. And then hit the faces one more time for a nice glossy look with Synergy's detail spray. Then when we came to the side of the car, there was a lot of road tar and adhesive that came up. So we used Adam's tar remover. And yeah, that's what we did for the exterior. So now let's hop right into the interior. Okay, so we now finished up the car, guys. We just did the final touches on the interior. If you take a look, we did a full steam decontamination on the whole entire inside. We have the rugs done. We have the all-season mats done. If you come around the back, we did a full carpet vacuum. We got in every crack, got all the dust out. Come around. All the doors are done, door jams, everything. So make sure you stay tuned onto our channel. We're going to start uploading weekly and showing you exactly how we're cleaning these cars. So drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.